Good morning, ma'am, classmate. I am Aris Rafael El Basco, and I am going to report about the political self in being Filipino. Who are Filipino? Filipinos are people who are native to or citizens of the country of the Philippines. Matatawag kang Pilipino kung ikaw ay lehitimong pinanganak sa Pilipinas o kung ikaw ay Filipino citizen. We are basically of Malay stock with a sprinkling of Chinese, American, Spanish, and Arab blood. Sa dami po ng sumakop sa atin noong unang panahon, tayo po ay may dugong Chino, Amerikano, Espanyol, at Espanyol. Sa ngayon po, tayong mga Pilipino ay kilala sa mga taong nagre-representa sa atin sa ibang bansa. Kagaya na lamang nina Pia Wurtzbach, Lea Salonga, Arnel Pineda, at Michael Cinco. Filipinos' values and traits. Respect to elderly, pagmano sa matanda at paggalang. The Filipino hospitality. Likas po sa ating mga Pilipino na tayo ay tumanggap ng bisita. Colonial mentality. Ito po ay ugali ng Pilipino na napapatronize natin ang produkto ng mga dayuhan, kagaya po ng makikita nyo sa picture. Na kung gusto nyo ng Pinoy, ang produkto ng Amerikano kagaya ng burger at fries. Close family ties. Isa din po sa kaugalian ng mga Pilipino ay yung pagkakaroon ng close family bond o yung tinatawag na extension family kung saan nakatira pa din ang mga apo sa bahay ni na lolo at lola. Cheerful personality. Tayo po ay kinikilalang masiyahin. Self-sacrifice. Karamihan po sa atin na yung mga magulang ay napipiling maging OFW upang matustusan ang pangangailangan ng pamilya. Mamaya na habit. Lagi yung pinagpapaliban ng mga gawain na kaya namang gawin ngayon. Ningas kugon. Puro simula ng walang gawain, ngunit walang natatapos. Crab mentality. May ilang Pilipino na kapag nakikita na umaasenso ang kapwa nila, ay nihila nila pababa. Filipino time. Kaya po sa atin, marami po lagi ang late. Bayanihan o pagtutulungan. Bahala na attitude. Tulad na lang kapag may exam, laging sagot, bahala na si Batman. Filipino markers. Ang Filipino markers o pagkakakilanlan ng mga Pilipino. Proverbs or salawikain are sayings that convey lessons and reflections on Filipino practices, belief, and traditions. Unang-una, tayo po ay malasalawikain. Ang example po nito ay matibay ang walis, palibasay nakabigkis. Ang pangalawa naman po ay ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Ang pangatlo naman po ay pag binato ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay. Superstitions, belief. Filipinos also subscribe to their own set of superstitions passed down from generation. Maraming alamat ang nagawa ng mga Pilipino. Yan nga. Pamahiin. Yan, kapag may pusang dumaan sa daan, ibig sabihin nun ay yung may mangyayaring masama. Kapag nag-picture ng tatlo, yung nasa gitna ay mamamatay. Ang pangatlo naman ay kapag sa patay, bawal kang mag-uwi ng mga pagkain. Myths and legends. Maraming alamat ang nagawa ng mga Pilipino na naisasalin sa kabilang henerasyon. Heroes and icons. Heroes serves as reminder of true patriotism and nationalism as they have sacrificed their lives for the sake of their country's freedom and progress. Dito po sa Pilipinas, sineselebrate natin ang araw ng mga bayani bilang paggunita sa kanilang naiambag sa bansa. How to be a good Filipino will report by Russell Calisura. Start ka na, pre. Pakitanggal ng mute, pre.
To the development of our country. Study the Philippine history. The road of the Philippine history is long and bloody, and by learning and fully understanding the event of the Philippine history, you will learn so much as to why it is so important for you to love your country with your life. We all know that many Filipinos nowadays forget to learn or study the history of our country. But if you start to study the Philippine history, you will know why it is important and why Philippines need to be proud. You will be proud to our country and love it with all your life. Support local product. When you buy local product, you do not only support local manufacturer and businessmen, but also help strengthen the local economy. Some Filipinos can afford buying expensive products and sometimes they forget our own product. Being a good Filipino, support and be proud to our own products. Buying and appreciating our local products can represent to a good Filipino and it helps our country to strengthen the local economy. Speak the Filipino language. The history of the Filipino language was as long and hard as the Philippine history. Jose Rizal highlighted the importance of speaking a national language as a way of displaying the love of one's country. Speaking Filipino also served as a unique identifier of being a Filipino. Speaking Filipino language is important because it can help to represent our country. Speaking Filipino language can be the way to help others to identify as being Filipino. Do not spread fake news and be democratic in engaging with dissent. This period is the history of the Philippines has seen how the internet has spawned ton of possibilities for people, both good and bad. For instance, it is easier to Filipinos working abroad to communicate with their loved ones left in the Philippines through the internet. And the world do not spread fake news, it means use internet in the good way, not in bad. Because internet can help people in many times, like the example in the handout. Many Filipinos are easier to talk to their families because of it. So don't spread fake news, just spread good news. Thank you.